Second topic is 3.9.2 adjusting range and step size. What you will learn in this lesson, understand how range, start, stop and step inside the range function works in a Python. Learn to control starting value, ending value and step size like increment or decrement. Differentiate between ascending and descending loop. Apply range variation to real examples. The range function generates a sequence of numbers. The syntax is first you will write start number, then stop. Stop itself is not included. And then step. Step may be in increment or in terms of decrement. Start. Start value by default is 0. If you want to change, you must write start. Stop ending value, and ending value is excluded. It means not included. Step increment or decrement, by default step 1 is there. Okay. Understanding range in Python. Okay, what are the range? If I will write for x in range of 5, then it will display me 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Default start equal to 0 and step equal to 1. Then second, if I will write 1 and 6, I have mentioned start, that is 1, and last number is 6, mean they will not include it 6. They will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, range 0, 10, 2. It will start from 0 and it will move till 9, but with increment of 2. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 is there, but 10 is not included. That's why it will shows only this. Thus, stop value is not included. Yes, we know that. Understanding range in Python, that is part 2. Odd numbers. If you want to write odd numbers, range you will start from range 1 to 10. 10 is not included with 2. Mean 1 plus first number is 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 11 is there, but it should be till 9. Then in this case, what will be the output? It will start from 2, that is 2. It will move till 11. Okay, it will move till 11 with increment of 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, they will start from 0 and they have started from 0. And last number should be 20 with increment of 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, that is counting by 5 number. Changing the step control, how quickly number is increased. Yes. Understand range in Python, that is part 3. No, it will start from 10, starting number is 10, ending number is mean 0. You have mentioned 0, but 0 is not included. Remaining is the, what should be less? Mean 1. Okay, and with minus 2, decrement. 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Due to this condition, because 0 is not included, that's why it will reach till 2. Descending even numbers. Range 20 to 15 with minus 1. They will start 20, they will include it 20. Then 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 will not be included. Reverse loop by minus 1. Okay, range start from 100, that is there, with 10 decrement till 50. 50 will not be printing. Mean 100 minus 10, 90, 90 minus 10, 80, 80 minus 10, 70, 70 minus 10, 60, and 60 minus 10 is 50. That is not included. Okay. Next one is special and edge cases. If you will write range 5, it will start from 5, but it should reach till 4. That's why it shows empty list. empty, no output. If you will write -5, it will start -5 till reach 4. Okay, you did not mention anything. By default, it will goes to with one increment. -1, -5. First, they will write -5, +1, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, -10, -1, 3. They will start from -10 and it will reach till -1. -1 is not included. It will goes till -0, -2, -10, -10 +3, -7, -7 plus -4, and it should goes -4 plus -4 plus 3, it should go -1, but -1 is not included. The last range should be -2. Okay, -2 is not covering. That's why they will show -10, -7, and -4. This summary range defines start, stop, and step. The stop value is always excluded. Step can be positive or negative, useful for skipping numbers, counting backward, or generating patterns. Multiple choice question number 1. What is the output of the range 1, 6, 2? It will start from 1, reach till 5 with increment of 2. Yes, it will start from 1, 1 increment of 2, 3, 1, 3, then 5. 1, 3, 5, that is B. Okay. What does a negative step in range do? They will count backward. They will do count backward. They are going to backward. What is the default value of step in range? That is 1. Default value of step is +1. Print all even numbers from 2 to 50 using range 2 to 51. Okay. Then what you will write? I in range, they will start from 2. With 50, they will move till 50. With 2, they will show all the even numbers. Okay, till 50. Print a countdown from 10 to 1 using a negative step. From 10 to 1 with -1. In 10, 9, 8, 7, so on. Last number will be 1. Next, display the multiple of 5 from 5 to 50 using range 5, 51, 5. They will write I in range 5. They will start from 5 till reach 50 with increment of 5. 5, 10, 15, so on. It will reach till 50. Find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, you write total equal to 0. I in range from 2 to 100. Okay, with 2, and they will add total plus I, and they will do the sum, and here they will display the sum. Okay, sum of the even numbers they will show like this. Number 5, print all numbers between 10 and 30 that are divisible by 3. Okay, what you will write? I, they will start from 10 to 30, but I percentage 3 equal to 0. They will get the remainder. If remainder is 0, then they will display print. For example, 6, when it will become 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. It will remainder is 0. That's why it will print 6. Okay. But it will start from 11. 6 will not come. Okay. Mean 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 suppose. Take an example of 15. 15 divided by 3 means 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 0. That's why they will display 15. If you will get 16 divided by 3, 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 1. That will not be printed. Only printing that will give you remainder 0. Okay, this is the solution and this is the last. Okay, if you have any doubt, please you can ask me in comment.